Hey there, yes, you. I am talking to you. What are you up to? What are your plans today? I am going to invite you to take your time to stay present, to enjoy, to explore, to be conscious, to be present. You only have today, one day to live. How are you going to choose to live it? Explore your neighborhood, your city. Don't take it for granted. Be present. Presence for today is the key. In the mundane, in the daily activities, share, smile, walk, feel, explore again. Be grateful. I hope you have a beautiful and proud life.